Meet the Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, the next evolution of smart thermostats from Emerson. The Sensi Lite features a modern design at an affordable price for cost-conscious homeowners, all with the energy-saving features and 100 years of HVAC experience you have come to expect from Sensi products. The Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat was designed with pros in mind. It installs like a standard thermostat and has extensive compatibility for residential systems. Sensi thermostats are compatible with single-stage, multi-stage, and heat pump systems. They also control combined heat pumps, gas furnace, and dual fuel systems without needing an outdoor sensor or any additional control devices. Make sure to register every Sensi thermostat using contractor mode. This automatically keeps you top of mind with your customers by adding your digital branding to customer communications. For instance, your company name and contact information will appear in the Sensi app, smart alerts, service reminders, and monthly usage reports. Simply follow these steps to register the thermostat. After downloading the Sensi app, sign into your Sensi account with your email address on your smartphone. If you don't already have an account, you can create one at the sign-in screen. Press and hold the Sensi logo at the top of the app dashboard for 5 seconds. If you don't already have a Sensi Partner Program account, tap Become a Sensi Partner. If you already have an account, tap OK. Tap Contractor Mode at the top of the dashboard. The first time you use Contractor Mode, the Sensi app needs to find your company information that you supplied when you registered at sensiregistration.com. Enter the phone number you used to proceed. Select Register Thermostat and scan the code on the back of the thermostat. That's it. You can register additional thermostats or select Back to return to the Contractor Mode menu. Before installation, ask the homeowner to download the Sensi app to their iOS or Android device and create an account. This is also a good time for the homeowner to gather their Wi-Fi network name and password. Make sure the customer has a 2.4 GHz network. The Sensi Lite thermostat box contains the following items: a thermostat with base, screws and anchors, wire labels, 2 AAA batteries, an install guide, and Get Started card. Turn off the power to the heating and air conditioning system at the breaker box or the switch next to the furnace. Next, remove your existing thermostat cover. With the thermostat base and wires visible, take a photo of the existing wire configuration. If you see a jumper wire, remove it. Sensi Lite is designed for single transformer systems. If you have 2 separate R wires coming from the wall, with one attaching to RC and the other to the RH terminal, you have a dual transformer system, and Sensi Lite is not compatible. Do not remove any other existing wires at this step. Disconnect wires, labeling them with the included wire labels as you go, if preferred. Remove the old thermostat base. Mount the new thermostat sub-base using the supplied screws. Use the attached bubble level to ensure that it's straight. One by one, insert each wire into the corresponding terminal, then tighten the screw. Refer to the equipment manufacturer's instructions for specific system wiring information. This example describes the thermostat terminal functions. R powers heat and cool. OB star can be configured as 2H, 6, 2C, O, B, or dash to match any of the following special system requirements. 2H configures the terminal for a second stage of heat, conventional systems only. 6 configures the terminal for a 3-wire zone valve. 2C configures the terminal for a second stage of cool, conventional systems only. O configures the terminal for a reversing valve energized in cool. B configures the terminal for a reversing valve energized in heat. Dash configures the terminal as a none, no function. Y energizes the first stage of the compressor for air conditioners or heat pumps. G energizes the fan as needed. WE is the first stage of heat for conventional systems. For heat pump systems, WE is auxiliary backup heat or aux only, emergency heat. C is for the 24-volt common wire. Sensi Lite is designed for single transformer systems and does not replace thermostats with separate wires coming out of the wall attached to RC and RH. Install the 2 AAA batteries included in the box and push the thermostat cover onto the base until it's secure. Now that the thermostat is installed, turn on the power to the heating and air conditioning system. Configure the thermostat to the appropriate system type. To get into the configuration menu, press and hold the three dots on the thermostat for 8 seconds. Navigate options within a step by tapping the up and down arrows. Confirm the selection and move to the next step by tapping the three dots. The default settings are for a single-stage air conditioner, a two-stage electric furnace, reversing valve set to O, and not additional accessories. A configuration menu is also available in the printed install guide. First, select your outdoor equipment. You can choose from AC for air conditioning, HP for heat pump, or none. Next, select your indoor equipment. EL for electric, GA for gas, or FN for fan only. Now you can select additional configuration settings for the OB Star terminal. Options are: 2H configures the terminal for a second stage of heat, conventional systems only. 6 configures the terminal for a 3-wire zone valve. 2C configures the terminal for a second stage of cool, conventional systems only. O configures the terminal for a reversing valve energized in cool. B configures the terminal for a reversing valve energized in heat. Dash configures the terminal as a none, no function. Select your fan settings. AU is for auto, on makes the fan run continuously, or 10 to 95, which sets a percentage of runtime per hour. Next, select the temperature unit, either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Once everything is set, press and hold the three dots for 8 seconds to exit the menu. The Wi-Fi connection process should be done from the homeowner's iOS or Android device. Ask the customer to download the Sensi app to their phone through the App Store and then create or sign in to their account. Tap the plus sign, select Sensi Lite Smart Thermostat, then tap Connect to Wi-Fi. On the Get Started insert found in the box, you will find the QR code to connect the thermostat to your customer's Wi-Fi network. Have the customer scan this code. They will need to allow Sensi to access Bluetooth to connect properly. If you're having trouble scanning the QR code, tap Use PIN to manually enter the code located under the QR code. On the thermostat, press and hold the Mode button for 4 seconds. You will see the setup and Wi-Fi icons appear. In the Sensi app, have the customer select the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password as prompted. Finally, the customer will be prompted to name and register their thermostat. If you used contractor mode to pre-enroll the thermostat, you do not have to complete this next step. If not, you should enter your Sensi Partner Program phone number so you are the first contact for this customer for maintenance and service calls. That's it. Your installation is complete. In just minutes, your customer will be able to enjoy easy and convenient control of their home comfort. If you have any problems with the Sensi Lite thermostat after installation, check the troubleshooting section in the printed install guide. Make sure to leave the Sensi Get Started card for your customer. Visit sensihelp.com for access to support articles, instructional downloads, and comprehensive support videos. Our highly trained Sensi support team is available for you or your homeowners 7 days a week.